Friday, August 5th. I'm buying some Apple 165 puts at 235. And this is an interesting trade. It's on the 5-minute chart here. We gapped down, as I'll show you in a minute. We moved all the way up to yesterday's close, and then we're getting the big reversal bar here. So I kind of bought on the 2 up, 2 down, right here near the blue line. The puts, his price is going lower. On the 15-minute chart, what I need to see here is some type of failure to confirm everything, which would be a 2 up, 2 down bar. We still have we have a minute to go on this bar. So the next bar should form. If we can get a 2 down bar here, a new lower low on this 50, we should move down to this area. Then at that point, if we broaden a little lower, what I want to see is if we can take out the midpoint of that first bar. That'll be the confirmation that this is going to work. If not, then I think I'll have enough time to just kind of exit here, kind of near break even. But what I'm playing here on the context chart, even though we're green at the moment from the open, this is a 2 down day from yesterday. We gap lower, we kind of moved up near the open. We're still below the midpoint of yesterday, so there's still targets down here, to the 160.75 area. Overall, we're at 165.21, so there's still about 5 points possibly lower if this thing wants to turn around here. Here's now the new 15-minute bar. We'll see if we get a 2 down. And again, I'm just looking for this gap down, which was bought and kind of coming to the midway point of yesterday, to roll over a little bit to the down. So this is an opportunity. I think it should pause in here, head a little lower. If we can get down here, we can set up a no-risk trade on the options. And if everything really works out, we could take out the lows of the day. But this is a tricky opening. Normally, I'd want to see a failure bar very quickly here on the first little gap up, and then start it back down to take out those intraday lows. This one rallied for about 3 bars here. So it's a little strong. It's tough to say if we're going to come all the way down, but it is possible. So I'm going to watch really, if we can get this 2 down here, how these next bars form into the midpoint of that first bar. That's kind of what I'm watching. And if it doesn't really give me what I'm looking for, then I can just get right out. But context is there for a pause day today to head lower, and I'll just see if this opening, move up is kind of just will lead to a little reversal here, given the context is kind of a 2 down day that has some targets down here overall. So we'll see. It looks like, again, it should be at least easy to set up a no risk trade, because we should come down a little bit here. It's just a question of how much momentum might kick into the downside or not.